In the world of manufacturing, in order to drive growth and become more competitive, you need to manage your processes and operations more effectively, with far less complexity. Whether it's automating production manufacturing procedures, providing greater insight across your business, ensuring quality control, or quickly adapting to changes in your market, Sage's cloud-based solutions are designed to meet the needs of manufacturers. Sage provides a single source of truth, allowing greater agility and responsiveness. And with automated workflows, you can react faster to changing demands as well as fluctuations in procurement, production, and shipments. With intuitive and automated rules-based product data management, you can define rules on allocation, expiration, and recontrol. Identify what raw materials to use, when they're about to expire, and when you need to restock. This robust planning engine allows you to consistently meet customer demand, increase production output, and reduce costs. You know that your business is only as good as its end product. With Sage's rule-based quality control, you can expect greater product uniformity, ensuring highest quality end goods for your customers. And with automated data collection from the floor, Sage provides full process visibility with real-time data and analytics. Lead the way in the Industry 4.0 revolution and take your business to the next level with Sage. Visit sage.com today to see for yourself how we can help you manage your entire operation faster.